my name is Asadil, and with my friend Ami Handayani, we are second semester software engineer student. To complete one of our college assignment, we rode our motorcycle to this visit company IT and interview this director. During our 13 minutes conversation, the director shared many real-world experience, new insight, and honest advice about the IT industry. This is the story of we learned from him. We planned to meet the director at 9 a.m., but we arrived at 8 a.m. Since we come earlier than expected, we decided to walk around and look for big breakfast. Because it was still early in the morning, not many restaurants or food stalls were open. After walking for a while, we found a restaurant that looked promising. However, we were about to order. We asked the owner if they are really open. She apologized to us and informed us that the restaurant mainly serves pork dishes. Understanding our situation, she kindly directed us to area with more halal food options. Most of you food style were allocated into the small mall, so we continue walking until we finally found a small cafe with a fried chicken style nearby. After having breakfast, we returned to meeting location and walking in lobby until 90 a.m. 11 a.m. When the director finally arrived and the interview began. So this is the summary of the interview. First, software development workflow. The director explained that his company follow a modern software development process based on the Agile and the software development life cycle (SDLC). Around 95-98% of their client is government institution such ministry and local government department, while the remaining clients are private companies. Every project starts with a document from the client called the term of reference, with contain all required feature and technical specification. The company must follow this requirement carefully because they are tied of the official such as scope workshop. And business recommend the document ABRD. After a contract is signed, different terms begin to working the project. So this is the theme in one project is there are sales, marketing, and communicating with client, business analysis, define the business process and uh, requirement, and system analyst, product management manager, convert business in technical choose technology, design database, and create flow chart. Also, their UI UX designer create mock-up and prototype so client can visualize the application before development begin. Development with the software, backend developer create API and business logic, and front-end development build the user interface. The OPS engineer manage the development infrastructure. All developers are required to use version control platform such as GitHub, GitLab. Code cannot be stored only on the portal because Uh, Team members often work remotely from different locations. So before the application undergoes until assurance one is functional testing, ensuring all features work correctly. Second is security testing, penetration testing, identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hacker. The application passes through set system integration testing and UI user acceptance testing. If issues are discovered during UAT, the application returns to development team for revision once the client approve the final application development result. So, the next is we telling about communication and task management. The director explained how remote teams stay connect and organize. The company use project management tools such as Jira or Trello. The projects are divided into small tasks, and developers update their progress to a shared digital board. One interesting point is that clients are also given access to board. This allows them to monitor project progress in the real time, making development process can more transparent and trust reward. Three, handling change requests. Sometimes client requests a new feature and modification while project is already in progress. This situation is known as change request. The director explained the company cannot simply accept simply accept or reject this request immediately, and significant change requests are new normal argument because modification often affect the project timeline and budget. Additional work means additional costs, such as paying developer for extra development time. However, if the request change are relatively small and the project manager can coordinate directly with the development team or using major delay. Fourth, building and maintaining client trust. When we ask how companies gain client trust, the director gave simple answer: portfolio and track record. Large clients want to prove that a company can successfully deliver a project. A strong portfolio containing successful projects for government agency or major brand significant increase credibility. For the beginner who don't have yet have impressive portfolio, they could recommend leveraging personal work and relationship, obtain a first project from friend, relative, or exciting often is on either because truly already exist. To maintain a relationship with existing client, the company provide excellent after-sales service. The director frequently invites clients to coffee, casually discuss, to check how their applications are performing and whether they need additional support. This is approach help with long-term professional relationship. The fifth one is college versus real industry. A second semester student, we were surprised to learn how different college projects are from real industry project. In college, students mainly focus coding and application development. However, it is professional work. There are many editorial processes such as client facing, kick-off meeting, business analysis, contract negotiation, legal document, project management. To bring this gap, the company often runs internal bootcamp when there is a high demand for project. Participants are using real-world project scenario, and top performance may only join main team. And the sixth, keeping up with technology. Uh, the director explained that management must constantly monitor industry trends to identify technology that are more popular. He mentioned programming language such as Python and Golang as example to keep employed the update. The company regularly conduct training program, internal bootcamp that help team members learn new technology and development methods. The importance of portfolio and branding personnel, the director emphasized that portfolio and personal branding are extremely important for programmer today. In the technology industry, it is not enough to simply claim that you are skilled. You must demonstrate your ability to real project. Portfolio serves as proof of application you have developed, such technology you have used, and companies or organizations you have worked with. A strong portfolio increases personal value and make clients more confident in hiring you. And the IC, this is essential skill beyond coding. The director also explained that technical skills alone are not enough. Programmer need strong soft skill, including communication skill. Developers must be able to explain technical concept is in simple language, listen to client concern, and communication effectively with team member. And relationship management, maintaining a positive relationship with client helps generate repeat business and long-term partnership. And the last one is after sales service. A project does not end when the application is launched. Ongoing support and communication are essential for client satisfaction. Okay, this is the last information that director giving to us is the reality of running an IT company. Before we start the interview, director Harisley shared that his office was currently going through a transition period. He explained that unexpected challenges are normal business operation. Running an IT company is not always smooth. There are constant adjustment and operational issues and daily obstacles that require flexibility, adaptability. This insight reminds us too that relationship is most the technical expenses. Cancellation of this video is the interview truly opened our eyes for the reality of being software engineer. We learned that software engineer is not only about wiring code, it also involves managing project, communication with a client, and understanding business process, working in terms to change uh, continuously learning new technologies. After the interview, we thank the director for sharing us his valuable experiment and advice. Before we leaving, he encouraged us to continue studying and enjoying learning process and stay curious about the technology industry. With now college and valuable insight, we rode our motorcycle back to our home and reflect on we had learned. We hope this experience help us become better software engineer in the future. Okay, thank you following our journey today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.